Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to back up your phone book contact to network provider cloud. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone iPad right here. So simply click on here. And after click on that, take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top side. Click on that, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on network and SIM settings. So click on SIM and network settings. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on more settings. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on SIM toolkit. It take you right here. Now, if you are using dual SIM phone, select the line you want to use as your backup contact. So I'm going to simply click on Glo right here, and it take me right here. Next thing we want to do is to go to Glo backup. Take me right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on backup. Okay. Operation costs 15 naira. Don't turn off your handset. You will be notified at the end of confirm. So what you need to do here is to simply click on OK, and with that, all the contacts on this particular phone and this SIM will be backed up to your network provider cloud. And if you lost your phone and if you lost your phone, you can still get back all your contacts. What you need to do is to just retrieve the line, and after retrieve the line, insert the line on a new SIM, and then you will be asked to come back here and for the restoration of your backup. So for you to do the restoration after you insert a new SIM onto a new phone, what you need to do is to simply click on restore, and all your backup will be available. Do you want to restore your SIM phone book? Your contact will be replaced by Surface ones. It's as simple as that. Simply click on OK, and all the contacts will be simply replaced on your new phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is one of the best ways to back up your phone book contact and make sure you don't lose contact of your loved one. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.